welcome to my channel. I'm Helen of Helen Jeanne Designs and Hope-Filled Journals, and today I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I know it's not quite Christmas yet when I'm airing this video, but this is probably the last video I'm going to tape before Christmas. So I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. And I was working on this card, this stacked envelope card for one of my granddaughters, and I actually made almost the whole thing, but decided I would come on and share with you what I'm making, just in case you have some last minute Christmas things you might want to make and get some ideas. So what this is made from envelopes, 2 envelopes, and it is inspired by Angela Kerr, and I will link her video below. She did a series on envelopes, I believe a while back, because this video was over a year old. Anyway, it opens up, and you can either just open like this, and then open like this, and then there are spots, pockets to put things. If you can see that. There's 4 pockets, and then this little one on the end. Or you can open it accordion style. Basically, a lot of uses for this. Now in her video, she made this to go in a journal, and I covered the rest of the envelope that was there. I went ahead and covered that. So what I plan on doing is using this for a card, and I'm going to put a little, either a gift card or a little bit of money in this pocket. So I have this little card that I made, and I'm going to write the words, the little greeting in here, and put either the gift card or cash in here. And I made this, these were vintage pictures, and I actually designed the paper to use for this. This was from my Advent kit, and then this I designed actually just for this project. So, and this actually was printable from I'm trying to remember where, but I didn't design that one. So this is going to go in this pocket. And then I also wanted to share with you, I was looking for some things to put in here, and I thought my grandkids like to do word searches, so I thought I'd look for some winter or Christmas word searches. And this is from Calico Collage on Etsy, and so it's a little winter word search. And then I don't recall the name of the person who created these, but I did get them on Etsy, and I'll put the link in there. This came as a set. I shrunk them down before I printed them. It's got a little Christmas word search, and then this is just a little puzzle where you use the code and then fill in the letters. Very simple. So I'm going to put these in the pockets, like so. That's going to go in there. And this is going to go in the last pocket. Actually, I think I have that backwards. I think I wanted the polka dots on the top. I made the little tabs here. So I have the polka dot one goes on the top, and then this one goes in here. But I still need to decorate it. And then this is going to go in here. Now what happened was I was getting some items ready just to give me some choices of how I wanted to decorate it, and I had this open right onto my stamp pad. Now this is vintage and kind of grungy style, so I could leave it at that, but I think what I'm going to do is cover that. So I have some little die cuts here, little flowers. I thought the pink and green and blue just kind of coordinated with this. Made it look, it looks kind of winterish. And then I've got a couple snowflakes and just some little words. Merry Christmas. I just put snow since the kids are playing in the snow. And then I've got a couple things that I'm going to use for writing spots. So I just have to figure out how I'm going to do it. And I thought I'd take you along with me and just see my process of how I'm going to decorate this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this because I really don't like it with the black there. So I wanted to put a word on front, so I think I'm going to take this joy here because the other ones are a little too big for the front. So I'm going to start out with that, and I am going to glue it on and cover that black spot. So very easy. It's okay if it goes over the top a little bit because it's a pocket that comes from here, so you still should be able to reach in there. So I've got that, and then I need to decide if I want anything else on the front, which I'm not quite sure if I want anything on the front. This is kind of, I want to be able to see the little pictures because I think they're very cute for a little girl. I think she'll really like the pictures. So this is where I'm going to do some writing. So I do know that I want to have a place to write. And I have these numbers here. I've been doing a 12 Days of Christmas gift exchange. And what you did is you mailed, I prepared 12 gifts, and then the person who was my partner also prepared 12 gifts, and we're opening them now, one a day for the 12 days before Christmas. So I also want to do Merry Christmas, so I might use that there. I've got this snow, and I've got a little bit bigger writing spot. I know there's another section in here that I'm probably going to use that for. So I think I'm going to put this one here, which I kind of had that in mind when I tore the paper. And then I put a little bit of this pink Distress Oxide around the edges. So I'm going to do this here for writing space. Then I might use this 25. I'm not sure. It'll take up some of my writing space. And the Merry Christmas. Probably shouldn't have glued that paper on yet. Maybe I'll put the 25 out this way. I don't need too much writing space here. I want to cover these little holes. So I might do them out to the side like that. So I'll probably put these on first. It always amazes me how much time I can spend on these crafts. When I watch the videos, everyone seems to make it look so easy, which it's not difficult. It just, I take a long time making decisions. As you know, I had a lot of this prepared, but to actually making the decision before I had it prepared took me a little while. I think I need to move this down a little bit because I don't want this to hang over, but I do want that to cover that. I might have to rip a little of this corner off. I've been busy preparing for Christmas, doing some shopping, and been doing a lot of wrapping. I hope you're enjoying the season. One of the things I'm really enjoying is going to some of the grandkids. They have a couple performances, and that's been enjoyable to be able to see them do their dance recital, and going to one this evening. One of our granddaughters is in a Christmas program with her school, so we get to go and see that. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I've got that. I want to be able to write a little something there, so I'm going to leave that like that. And now I've got this space here. Let's see what else we've got. This is pretty much, I've got this little music song here, Star of Faith, so I don't want to really cover that up. And I've got it pretty busy with all the pictures, so I don't want to cover too much. I want to make this pretty simple. I've already got a lot into it as far as decorations. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. And then I also have the back, which I was thinking about this, which I'm still trying to decide because I may want to do some writing on the back. And this is embossed, kind of with some snowflakes. So I did this with the Sizzix machine. I might just put that here, and then if I decide to do any writing, I might write it and then glue it on here. So I'll think about that for a few minutes. I really like this picture here with the children in the snow and playing, so I don't want to cover that too much. But I do have all these flowers, so I think I'm going to embellish with those. I might put a flower here. Maybe. Take a few of them out so that I can see what I've got. Alrighty. I think I'm going to use this snow and put it in this spot, fill this spot down here. Now I'd be curious, do you make Christmas presents or do you purchase them? Or do you give gift cards or money, or what are some of the things that you do? If you get a chance, I'd love to hear in the comments or read in the comments what kind of traditions you have. This time of year, it's really fun to hear what other people do. So I think that's good for that. I might put a flower here. I like the idea of the blue. I think I'm going to do that. Like I said, I wanted this video to be short and quick, but I thought this would be a good time to pop on since Christmas is coming. And I know everyone has been busy, but I just thought I'd share one more thing. I've been trying to keep up on the dephemerember challenge. I've made a few more things. I just haven't had a chance to complete all of them, but it's been a fun challenge. Okay, this I know I want my writing spot, so I'm going to plan on that. And then I think with this blue here, I might use one of these snowflakes. I think that's where I might use. These snowflakes are a little bit big. I wonder, I might trim one of them down. But do I want the blue or the green? I think I kind of like the green. I think what I'm going to do is trim it down. Okay, I went ahead and I trimmed this blue one down also because I think I'm just going to use them both here. I just need to figure out how I want to put them. Maybe do one in each corner. There we go. All right, still not quite on the edge. I probably should have trimmed this down, but I'm going to go with that. Okay, where are we at here? Need to decide on the flower. That. And I also need to decide if I'm going to put anything here and here. Well, I think what I'm going to do is just do the rest with flowers, and then if I decide to put this on the back. So I am going to just go through and add a few flowers. All right. I think that's about all I'm going to do as far as the embellishments. I'm wondering if I should turn this one around. I don't know. I'll play around with it. But I just wanted to share this with you because I thought it would be a fun project if anybody wants to try it. I've got Merry Christmas. I'm going to do some writing there. Just a little decoration there with the word searches, and I've got the pocket there that this goes in. I must have missed the pocket when I tried to put it back in. There we go. And the last pocket, got this little game. So I think that'll be a nice little gift. I'm going to put some money or a gift card in there, and I'll probably, well, I covered this with the flowers, so I don't know. I might just leave that the way it is. So if you're interested in making this, I didn't go through the whole tutorial. It takes 2 business size envelopes, and I'm going to link Angela's video below, and I know there's many videos on YouTube showing how to actually put the envelopes together, but the flaps are glued underneath the cards so you can't see them, the flaps of the envelope, and it's a very fun project, inexpensive. You can use any kind of paper you want. It looks nice if you have coordinating paper. Scrapbooking paper would be good. Do with it what you want. I didn't want to add too many embellishments, but I thought I'd share that with you. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I want to thank you for watching. And I hope you'll ring the bell so that you can be notified of my future videos when I start back up again. Merry Christmas, happy journaling, and happy crafting. Talk to you later.